Checkpoint Certified Troubleshooting Expert. R81, CCTE. 156 to 586 real exam questions are valuable for you to study. Share some updated 156 to 586 exam questions here. 1. What are the three main components of identity awareness? A. User, Active Directory and access role. B. Identity awareness blade on security gateway, user database on security management server and Active Directory. C. Identity source, identity server, PDP, and identity enforcement, PEP. D. Client, SMS and secure gateway. 2. What are the main components of Checkpoint's security management architecture? A. Management server, log server, gateway server, security server. B. Management server, management database, log server, automation server. C. Management server, security gateway, multi-domain server, smart event server. D. Management server, log server, LDAP server, web server. 3. If the CPSEMD process of Smart Event has crashed or is having trouble coming up, then it usually indicates that blank. A. The Smart Event core on the Solar Indexer has been deleted. B. The logged-in administrator does not have permissions to run Smart Event. C. Postgres database is down. D. CPD daemon is unable to connect to the log server. 4. When a user process or program suddenly crashes, a core dump is often used to examine the problem. Which command is used to enable the core dumping via Gaia Clish? A. Set core dump enable. B. Set core dump per process. C. Set user dump enable. D. Set core dump total. 5. The management configuration stored in the Postgres database is partitioned into several relational database domains. What is the purpose of the global domain? A. Global domains is used by the IPS software blade to map the IDs to the corresponding countries according to the IP to country.csv file. B. This domain is used as the global database to back up the objects referencing the corresponding object attributes from the system domain. C. This domain is used as the global database to track the changes made by multiple administrators on the same objects prior to publishing. D. This domain is used as the global database for MDSM and contains global objects and policies. 6. What are the four main database domains? A. Local, global, user, VPN. B. System, global, log, event. C. System, user, global, log. D. System, user, host, network. 7. In Checkpoint's packet processing infrastructure, what is the role of observers? A. They store rule-based matching state-related information. B. Observers monitor the state of checkpoint gateways and report it to the security manager. C. Observers attach object IDs to traffic. D. Observers decide whether or not to publish a CLOB to the security policy. 8. URL filtering is an essential part of web security in the gateway. For the security gateway to perform a URL lookup when a client makes a URL request, where is the sync request forwarded from if a sync request is required? A. RAD user space. B. URLF online service. C. URLF kernel client. D. RAD kernel space. 9. When dealing with monolithic operating systems such as Gaia, where are system calls initiated from to achieve a required system-level function? A. Kernel mode. B. User mode. C. Slow path. D. Medium path. 10. You receive reports that users cannot browse Internet sites. You are using identity awareness with a dQuery and identity collector. In addition, you have the browser-based authentication enabled. What command can be used to debug the problem? A. On the gateway. Add debug on. B. On the gateway. Add query debug on. C. On the management. Add query debug extended. D. On the gateway. PDP debug NAC extended.